Many procedures, many trials for Alzheimer's, and sadly many have failed.
Did a scan already?
Neuroscience Institute investigators performed a procedure that they hope may slow the progression of the deadly disease that currently has no effective treatments.
The procedure involves the patient lying down on an MRI table, and then a helmet comes over your head that delivers ultrasound waves into the brain. And when you couple these ultrasound waves into the brain with an injection of what we call microbubbles, these microbubbles start oscillating and they open up the blood-brain barrier.
The blood-brain barrier protects the brain by allowing nutrients in while keeping out germs and toxins.
The goal of this technology is to open up the blood-brain barrier using ultrasound and allow the plaques hopefully to be reduced and allow the clinical symptoms of Alzheimer's to be improved as well.
Neurosurgeon Amity Addrisi is leading the West Virginia team to determine whether focused ultrasound reduces the plaque buildup and cognitive decline that are the hallmarks of this disease.
We have a successful treatment at this point in time.
The first patient to take part in the non-invasive trial is Judy Pollock, a 61-year-old nurse with early-stage Alzheimer's.
I've accepted it. I mean, it is what it is now. I'm still sad sometimes, but it is something that I can't change, but I can help change for other people.
Even though Pollock has stopped working because of memory loss from the disease, she isn't giving up.
So that is the mantra. Memories are worth fighting for.
It's a battle Pollock and so many others are facing.
We are fighting this disease. We're not suffering from it.
Doctors say the potential benefits for this treatment will take several years to fully evaluate.
We want to be also realistic. This is an investigational study, and we need to conduct a research study, but so far, so good.
Additional patients are being recruited to participate in this study, which is being done in collaboration with an Israel-based medical technology company. There are over 5 million Americans afflicted with Alzheimer's, and currently there's no cure. For HealthLink, I'm Amity Addrisi.